Good morning, guys. I'm back again with one more new topic or one more new video. So today we're gonna see how you have to handle the challenges. So we come across a lot of challenges and how to how to overcome them and how to use a challenge as a growth opportunity. So let me explain you with a small example. So one fine day there is a farmer, okay, and he has one donkey. So they both were walking. So by mistakenly, donkey has fell down on a well. There is a small pit kind of a thing, and it went down. And the farmer tried to pull it up, but it is so depth, and he could not do anything. And he decided, okay, anyhow this donkey is too old and there is no need of saving it, so let's close this well so that no one else will fall again. So what he started, so he started pouring the mud onto the well. So he keep pouring it, but over a period of time he saw donkey is coming visible. So what this donkey was doing, whatever mud is on her back, he was just used to shake her body, and then slowly that mud used to go under the legs, and it is getting filled. At the same time it is coming up. So he kept doing it, and actually the farmer got surprised, and he was could not believe it how it was possible, but he was keep doing it. What this donkey was doing, every dust it falls on his back, it used to shake it and then used to come up. So over a period of time that donkey came out. Okay, so this is a story. So and farmer was very happy, and farmer was really surprised the way donkey is used. This challenge has came out of from the death. So he could not believe it. So same thing if you see in the story. Okay, so if you see, the donkey had a lot of challenges. Okay, either to give up, either it used to do nothing and just stay inside the wall and die, or take that each struggle as opportunity and grown out of that struggle. So every time there is a mud falls on his body, he just shakes, use that as opportunity and come up. The same thing happens in your life and even in your fitness. You will find the challenges. You will find the challenges every day, or maybe every week or every month. So it is all depends on how you take that challenge. If you take that challenge as an excuse, that means you are going in a wrong direction. If you take the challenge as opportunity, growing opportunity, and understand and come out of it, you will become stronger and you will grow in your life. So that's how you can do it. Let me share with you a couple of examples what I have gone through during my fitness journey, which I come out of challenges. So I'll share a couple of them. The first one is when I started my fitness journey, I used to do home workouts. I used to do not home workouts, I used to have a gym, but because of the lockdown I was not going to office. So that means I had 2.5 hours of less travel. So the what happened is everything went fine, and they started open the offices, and I had to hit back to the office because I used to get up in the 6 o'clock, 6 to 7 I used to work out, and then I used to come back home and get ready and start my work at around 8. But right now what I have to do is I have to travel every single day 1 hour, morning 1 hour and evening 1 hour. That means literally I have to get 2 hours. This is a challenge. What I should have done, either I should have used this as excuse and then left my fitness altogether and just focus on traveling, going to office and coming back. But what I did, I started getting up 1 hour early, and I handled the situation. So I did two things. Okay, one is I started getting up 1 hour early, still followed my routine, and every journey of 1 hour I started listening about fitness. So I used to listen to my favorite mentor, all his techniques, what he is used to use in the training and nutrition. I gained an immense knowledge over a period of 2 months, every single day. Okay, going to office and coming back office to home, I used to listen this. And the same thing, whatever I used to listen, I used to implement in my training. and I literally it literally changed my whole perspective of my transformation, and I saw immense result because of that. So if you actually see it, I had two options. One, take it as a excuse and give up everything, and second thing is face it, make that challenge as a growing opportunity. Yes, I used that as a growing opportunity, and I grown in my transformation. I made best out of that. So two things I did: I fixed my schedule, and second thing is whatever is my travel time, I started gaining the knowledge. So I just used to use a podcast or his recordings, and I keep listening about each and every single day. I literally covered 6 or 7 months of episodes in that 2 months. That is one. And the second one is recently I injured my fourth toe. Okay, so I was totally devastated because I wanted to give my 100% to TC13. I was participating in TC13. The first thing when I got injured, the first thing came into mind is how I'm gonna continue my training. That was the first thought I got it, and I should have even taken two options here. Okay, I should have completely taken a break to my workout and wait for until and unless it is totally healed, or just keep moving. So what I did, yes, whenever there is an injury, you need to take care of injury. At the same time, see whatever you can do without that. So that's what I did. What I did is first I went to a doctor and see what is actual injury is, how big it is, and then I took a doctor suggestions and I followed all the safety precautions. And yes, I have recovered from my toe injury without any medication. I didn't even take any painkillers. I didn't even take any medical advice. Doctor said, "Are you able to bear the pain?" I said yes. Then he said, "You don't need anything. Just keep a buddy tape." So actually, we have for both the toes you keep it and then you tape it and then continue it. Literally, this whole it has been now I think 15 days, but last 15 days was one of the best moments in my training journey, because I have progressed in almost like every single workout, and I am having immense enjoyment during the training. So this is again same guys. So if you actually see during this process, I was hell lot of pain, but my focus is not on my leg or my toe. My focus is on my daily grind, and I am working on something and I want to focus on that. That's it. Initially the first 4 to 5 days I was in a hell lot of pain, but literally it's all your mindset guys. It's all how you take your challenge and how you come out of them and how you handle them matters the most. And what exactly it did, it gave me experience how to handle this particular situation. If every situation comes in your life, if you just escape or run away from it, you will never learn how to handle that particular situation, and you will never learn how to come out of that challenge. When you stay strong and face it and come out of it, you will become a strong. When next time again this kind of a challenge comes, you know how to handle it. So that's what I want to say. What I want to say in this video guys, whenever there is any challenge comes, stay strong, understand what is a challenge, assess it, and you will definitely find a solution, and you will definitely find a way out. And once you know the way out, implement them, and then you come out of it, you will be totally a new person. So every challenge is a growing opportunity. So don't run away from the challenge, or don't run away from any situations happening in your life. Stay strong, face it, and you become best of yourself once you come out of that challenge. So that's all guys. I will come back to you with one more video. As of what I want to say in this video is, stay strong and handle the challenges. Every challenge is a growing opportunity. If you run away, it's not a growing opportunity. You are actually losing the opportunity. So stay strong and face the challenge and come out of it. You will become a stronger person, and you will become you will grow in your life. See you guys. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, give a big thumbs up, and if you want to say something about this video, give a comment in the comment section. And if you want to share this with your friends and family, please feel free to do it and help me to spread the right knowledge to your friends and family. So till then, Arvind signing off. Be safe, be secure, take care of your family, and take care of all the safety precautions. And I'll come back to you with one more new video. Till then, bye bye. Take care, guys.